editor, your name, your address, city, state, zip code, email address, date. The editor, newspaper's name, newspaper's address, city, state, zip code. Dear editor, I'm writing to express my concern about the lack of recycling bins in our local parks. As a resident who frequently visits these parks, I have noticed that there are very few places to properly dispose of recyclable materials such as plastic bottles and cans. This often leads to people throwing these items in the regular trash, which is harmful to which is harmful to our environment. Having more recycling bins in the parks would make it easier for everyone to do their part in keeping our community clean. It would also set a good example for young people and encourage them to develop good habits for taking care of the environment. Many other cities have successfully implemented similar programs, and I believe our community can do the same. I hope that the City Council will consider this suggestion and take action to improve our recycling facilities. Thank you for your attention to this important matter. Sincerely, your name.